Right in the middle here is where the kitchen will be.
Yeah.
At the moment, rusty metal hull, but it's going to be a beautiful kitchen one day.
Yes. Right now we're in the middle section of the boat, and this will be the kitchen.
You come down straight from the entrance stairway into the kitchen, and then the lounge is at the back of the boat, and the bedrooms and bathrooms are at the front of the boat. Bedroom and bathroom is at the front of the boat. Kitchen design, I mean, the first thing to say is that the bottom photo here is sort of your classic, that's actually from a narrowboat in the UK, classic white, wood, practical kitchen in a small space. And then you've got farmhouse style kitchens up the top there. I noticed that you've got another sort of blue palette on the top right up there on the floor and the cabinets.
Yeah.
That sort of ties into what you've designed on the lounge area as well. But yeah, take us through it a little bit.
What I like about the bottom photo is that it's rounded edges. That's really convenient when you're in a small space. Maybe there's something we can do to tie the living room and the kitchen together in those certain colors.
There's definitely a combination of sort of practical sort of farmhouse living and more sort of contemporary, simplified, sleek lines, rounded corners.
Yeah.
And I think rounded corners in a boat makes it feel less cramped somehow.
Yeah, it's a more efficient use
I like
of
that
space.
idea.
What I'd like actually is to see through the boat from one side to the other. So if you're standing in the living room, you're able to see all the way through the boat to the bedroom.
Yeah, otherwise known as a nightmare to keep warm.
Well, we'll figure it out with sliding doors.
Luckily, it's not that big. Great. Well, kitchen's going to be lovely, I think, and looking forward to getting stuck into it.
Yeah.